and welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be showing you how to do KWANG-GAE, the first black belt form of Taekwondo. Bring hands above head and right leg to knee. Double chop. Step forward, pressing fist. Step forward, pressing fist. Turn 45 degrees to the right and pseudo. Step back and pseudo. Turn 45 degrees to the left and pseudo. Step backwards and pseudo. Step forward, pseudo. Step forward into a cat stance and pseudo. Turn 180 degrees and pressing palm. Step forward, pressing palm. Bring hands above head and right side stack. Double side kick. Arm break. Hammer fist. Traditional stack. Double side kick. Arm break. Hammer fist. Step forward and press. Step forward and press. Turn 180 degrees clockwise and high back fist. Double arm block. Slide back. Inside arm block. Strike with ridge. Turn 180 degrees counterclockwise, high back fist. Double arm block. Slide back into an inside arm block and strike with ridge. Step forward and double upset. Turn left, step, double upset. Front kick, turn 180 degrees into a pseudo. Step forward, punch. Step, double upset. Front kick. Turn 180 degrees into a pseudo. Step forward, punch, and key up. Bring hands above head and leg to knee. And double chop. And that's going to be the end of this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you were helped in any way. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.